Chaka senchira ya bene kurwase kaunti ya Kisii awaseki na kemubwatranitio mwana Sagini we myaka 3 oyobete ga okonorwa amaiso kyabake gotegererwa ritkoria rero ase kigambiro ya Kisii ase abakagerwa batato baba bagukumerwa egesibo
Inyarabona yuniga korekanete omwaka wetu mutinyo 12 maiga y'umwana Sagini konyara kurusigwa maisa bakegero batatu ngamuna Alex Ochogo obona konye babekira sekegambiro boygo ngina koro mwana Sagini ndani nyakirario nangina moke oyibona manyekanete buna ane rebono nyakirario Pacifica niko bekigwa ase kambiro tukoria rero nokona chakoba kogekerwa kolengana umuna chebi na Alex Ochogo niko bona asibirwe egesibo kemyaka emeronge na seche ase kinekyo aseboigo ngina koro aserieta reri nyakirario abereka gosibwe myaka 5 sechera naboigo bono nangina moke oyubono manyakanta una Pacifica nyakirario nera bakagosibwa emyaka 10
orabati Mildred Momanyi ni gatwariganiretie
abakagero batatu abukonya basoerere nelimo cholyo komorusia amaiso omwana bwe myaka 3 Junior Sagini kurwa ekenyoroge ikuruma imeyamara ni sub county gati ekitariki 13 na 14 omutinyu 12 omwaka w'ekiri bubere na 2022 nigo bakumerwe asigesibo omubasolero kolengana na mamocho ayoba kolete Alex Ochogo nigo asibwa emyaka 40 Pacifica nyakirario emyaka 10 na Rail nyakirario esibwa emyaka 5.
She is sentenced to serve 5 years imprisonment. For the second accused person, Pacifica Nyakirario Ochogo, sentenced to serve 10 years imprisonment. However, for the first accused person, who was a muscle behind the offense hearing, he is sentenced to serve 40 years imprisonment. Right of appeal 14 days.
Alex Ochogo bwe myaka 25 Pacifica Nyakirario bwe myaka 50 nomo amona Rail Nyakirario bwe myaka 53 nigo bakiwa bosi bomonachi ebina bwe kigambiro gya Kisii Christine Ongweno na gosomerwa ama mochonsi ayoba bete bagokora kolengana no botuki bwe kigambiro ekyo amona abashahidi abo baretetwe obushahidi bwabo ase kinekyo nigo omonachi ebina Christine Ongweno ateba gwetera egekorwa ekyo babete bagokora Junior Sagini takonyara korra ase obugima bwaye bonsi ase omwana oyo arachigo chandika ase obugima bwaye nonya ase arachikoba no muchando ase chisemi chaye.
Fail him will forever be engraved in his physical life. This is because he lost his eyes. He lost both eyes and was declared permanently blind. This was a life-changing event, not only for the child, but for the family and the community at large. The physical and emotional pain, while felt by the community and the society and the family, was surely felt most by the minor, a 3-year-old child. I seriously believe that this is a fact that cannot be wished away. This child remains blind, rendered blind by the actions of the 3 accused persons herein. The court has seriously grappled with the question of what would be an appropriate sentence in the circumstances.
Omonachi ebina nigo ateba omukagirwa omutangani oyole Alex Ochogo nigo amanyakaine ase kenyorobuna omonto omoibi na boigo omorebi asateba nonya nabanyakenyoro nigo bale nobororo omonene gwetera embo yaye ase nonya na boigo bateba takonyara kwegwa nonya negesibo gesiko.
While still denying the offense, he pleads for leniency in sentencing. The community views him as a pathological liar, a notorious thief, and a drug addict. The community is said to have expressed fear for their children's safety should the first accused person be released.
Omwelio ye omwana Junior Sagini niganyole obwene bwaye ise ekigambiro gya Kisii asebono oyotenerete ekinekyo umusubati Christine Ongweno anyale kobaga kuru ogochika kwae kwa mwelio. Ngolipota lya egetaseni kya Ndizi TV kuru siko ye kigambiro gya Kisii litaliane Mildred Momanyi.